Hi and welcome to AfriHost Help Center. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Pure VoIP via the AfriHost website. Open your internet browser and navigate to afrihost.com. Select the VoIP tab at the top of the page. Select View VoIP Packages under Pure VoIP. The VoIP page will load. Scroll down to Pure VoIP Packages and select the package that best suits your needs and select Sign Up Now. The order form page will load. Confirm the selected package is correct and click Next Step. If you don't have an existing VoIP number, select New VoIP number. If you do have an existing VoIP or landline number that you want to port over to AfriHost, select Port Existing Landline Number. In this video, we will select New VoIP Number. Select Next Step to proceed. If you want to add a VoIP phone to your cart, select Yes, I need a VoIP phone. Otherwise, select No thanks. For the purposes of this video, we will select Yes, I need a VoIP phone. You will be redirected to AfriHost Client Zone account login page. If you do not have an AfriHost account, select the option to create a new one at the bottom and fill in your account details. If you do have an existing AfriHost account, log in using your existing Client Zone credentials. Once logged in, you'll be required to provide Rica information. On the Rica Contacts page, select New Contact if you do not have any Rica contact details, or select the existing contact details saved. Since we already have a Rica contact saved, we will select the existing one. Click Continue. You will be offered products that you may be interested in, such as a UPS. If you do not want any, select No thanks. You will be taken to your shopping cart. Confirm the items in your cart are correct and select Checkout. If you have ordered a device, please choose a delivery option and follow the prompts. For the purposes of this video, we will choose to collect in Johannesburg. Fill in the required information and select Confirm Collection. Select your preferred payment method, choose an existing account, or add a new payment method. Select the checkboxes to accept the terms and conditions and click Complete My Order. You have successfully signed up for Pure VoIP by the AfriHost website.